Gorgeous craftsmanship in a quiet, peaceful setting with amazing territorial views. This home is in a fantastic location, close to schools, shops, parks, and the freeway. Nestled in the trees at the end of a dead-end street, head inside and discover floor-to-ceiling windows, beautiful wainscoting, and abundant natural light. A travertine tile floor leads to the chef's kitchen with a cooktop island and breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry. Vaulted ceilings frame the elegant living spaces, including the living room and dining room. Double doors open to the generous main level office or bedroom, where you can unwind on a private balcony. On the upper level, you'll find a vaulted primary bedroom with territorial views from the balcony, perfect for your morning coffee. The bath is well appointed with a dual sink vanity, tiled floor, tiled shower, and soaking tub, plus a walk-in closet with organizers. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home also has a convenient Jack and Jill bath. Entertain or just relax on the large covered deck with beautiful exterior lighting and a fenced yard. You'll also love the extra deep 3-car garage. An exceptional home in a great location. It's here on Bluerock Court and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.